who the Guru is, how to find the Guru. If you find him, obviously you are going to be more and more safe. Obviously, we are here on this planet to enjoy our life, our lifestyles, right from the birth till the death. We want to be more and more happier. That's the reason why we are doing several karmas. Okay. And to achieve the goal, to reach our destination, it's very much easier. At the same time, with the hurdles, up and downs, definitely every one of us will be reaching. And at times we don't know the journey, how to reach the destination. Then obviously at that time we can take a help of a mentor or a guru. Right. One thing we need to know is a mentor can show the way, but he cannot take us to the destination. Okay, he will show you a way. He is like a GPS navigator, giving you directions. Go like this, do like this, be like this, all these kinds. But we are very lucky enough if we find a guru. It's only the guru who can take us till the destination. He will also be with us till we reach our destination, as the Guru only catches our hands, lifts us whenever we fall. He is always there with our ups and downs in our life. He takes to the destination and places us very safely, happily on the throne in the destination. So it's not that everybody is a Guru or everybody is a mentor. For that we need to know who is a guru and who is a mentor. Okay, hope you have understood the difference between a guru and a mentor. Right? So, how to find a guru? I'll tell you, there are 3 basics for a guru. If you find these 3 qualities, I tell you in a guru, there will be 3 qualities, whereas these qualities are never in a mentor. Mentor won't be having all these 3 qualities. Maybe one quality he might have, a mentor, but guru will be having 3 qualities. So before getting with a guru, you just need to check out whether he has these 3 qualities or not. Okay. And second thing I would like to tell you is, you need not put any effort to find a guru. If wholeheartedly you are very much keen interested about your destination, to reach your destination, Guru, he himself will come and appear before you. You might have heard, when a disciple is ready, the master appears. Yes, it's very much practical. So the 3 qualities of the Guru, I'm telling you, it will make you more easier finding a Guru, I tell you. Okay. In the scriptures you might have heard the 3 words. In the scriptures you might have heard the 3 words: Ajanma, Abhokta and Akarta. So if you find these 3 qualities, Ajanma, Abhokta and Akarta, in a person, you can definitely make him a guru. If he has all these 3 qualities. Now I would like to tell you what is Ajanma, Abhokta and Akarta. These are the words which have already been referred in the scriptures and all. Ajanma means he is away from the cycles of birth and death. He never comes in the cycle of birth and death. That's Ajanma. Abhokta, he is far away from this water, what you call the food and drinks and all. Neither he eats nor drinks. That's called Abhokta. And Akarta, he is far away from karmas, Maybe he does the karmas and all, but he doesn't get attached to the karmas at all. So these three qualities you need to find: ajanma, abhokta and akarta. If you find these three qualities anybody, blindly you can make him a guru, and trust me, he will definitely put you in his hands, take you to that destination and place you on the throne. So never get confused. I told you how to find a guru. So find the three qualities person: ajanma, abhokta and akarta. You can make him a guru. So now I hope you might have understood who the guru is, how to find the guru. If you find him, obviously you are going to be more and more safe. Okay, thank you.